Hello students, welcome to Etuson, education for better tomorrow. So my name is Amrita. I am here to teach you your grammar, right? So before proceeding, we all know that we have to follow a simple step, and what is it? You have to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, visit our website. You can also follow us in our Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So hello, my name is Amrita. So remember we did noun the last class, right? What did we do? We did an introduction class. What is noun all about, right? So today we will be learning the types of noun. Okay, what are the different types of noun? Before doing that, remember I gave you a fun time, right? A set of questions where you have to solve it and also circle which are noun in those, right? So let's proceed further. Okay. See, Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. So can you tell us which is the noun here? Yes, correct. The noun is Jaipur and Rajasthan, right? So the next thing. My mother invited my friends for lunch. My mother invited my friends for lunch. So the noun is mother, friends, lunch. Mother, friends and lunch. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. So here the noun is Rajendra Prasad, president and India. So here the noun is Rajendra Prasad, president and India. Pankaj is having a bowl of cereal for breakfast. Pankaj is having a bowl of cereal for breakfast. So here Pankaj, bowl, cereal, breakfast. Okay. Now see, Tom went to the market to buy a basketball. Tom went to the market to buy a basketball. So who went? Tom. So name of a person, right? And this is market is what? Comes under the category of place, and basketball comes under the category of thing. So here we did a recap of the last class. Now let's proceed to the next class. See, today I told you that we will be learning the types of noun, right? Now see, the classification of noun. Noun is been divided to many parts. See, in this case, noun is nothing but we are showing the quantitative part of the noun. It can be singular, that is single, or it can be plural, that is more than one. Here we are also discussing about some other types of the noun. Okay, so first let me discuss you the whole thing, and today in this part of the topic or in this part of the video we will be only discussing about what is singular noun and what is plural noun. Okay, so first see, noun is again classification of noun are done in two parts. First is the quantitative and second is the qualitative. Okay, so first in this way, see, quantitative in the case is like singular, plural. Okay, singular is something like one, plural is more than one. But here, see, let me change the ink color for you. But see here, it is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, collective noun, countable noun, non-countable noun and compound noun. Let me read it for you again. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, collective noun, countable noun, non-countable noun and compound noun. Now for today, now you will be asking me, ma'am, what is common, proper and everything that you told, right? So let's wait. The more our topic will go further, the more deep you will know what is noun all about, why is noun important, what are the parts of it, how can we use, like where to use common noun, where to use proper noun, what is the difference between abstract noun or some other noun, right? So today only we will be doing singular or plural, the topic that is on your left side, singular or plural. Now see, what is a singular noun? Singular noun, a noun that denotes something as one or single object. something that denotes as one or single object. Same goes for a plural noun. Plural noun, a noun that denotes something as more than one. Like I said you, something that is more than one or many objects. Now I gave you some examples. Let's see. Here example in singular noun, let me mark this one for you. In singular noun, see here we have boy. So boy means what? Just a single boy. But here if I write boys, then there are more than one boys, right? There are 3 boys. So 3 means what? 1, 2, 3. 3 means what? That is something more than one, right? So these become boys. Now can you see the changes? Can you see the changes? Here it is boy, but here we just added a letter that is called S. Okay? Now see, boy, boys. Baby, B-A-B-Y, baby. Baby will change into babies. Okay? Now you will be asking you a question. Ma'am, here it is just an S. Why in case of baby we didn't write Y, but in place of Y we wrote IES? Wait, we'll be proceeding soon. Now see, box. Box becomes boxes. Now see, in case of box we are adding ES, right? You are getting confused, like the spelling keeps on changing. How can we understand which letters to be added to which words, right? Now let's wait. So first we got to know, let's do a quick recap and then we'll proceed. So first, singular noun means something that denotes a single object or one object, right? And what is plural? Something that denotes more than one or many objects. Easy? Okay. Now see the next part. Here we will see where to add S. Where should we add the letter S? Okay. Now see, words like tree becomes trees, girl, girls, tin, tins, cat, cats. See, cat become cats, right? So words like these, tree, girl, tin, cat, after adding S becomes trees, girls, tins and cats. Now next see what is it written here. You have to, very importantly, let me just change the color for you. You have to keep an eye on this sentence that I write in every slide. Okay. Now see, words ending with S. The words that ends with S or SS, CH, SH, X, these letters, the words that are ending with these kind of letters will always have the letter ES to add it. You just have to blindly write it. The word that always end with a S, SS, CH, SH and X will always have a pair of letters that are to be added, that is ES. See some examples that I write, okay? Bus becomes buses, right? Glass become glasses, like class becomes classes, right? So here the ending letters are double S as we have written. Branch, branch, CH, right? Branch becomes branches. Brush, ending with SH, that becomes brushes. Sorry, I must have misplaced. So brush becomes brushes. Now fox, F-O-X, fox. Fox becomes foxes. So first there were some words that we only used to add S. In this part what did we learn? Words that ends with S, SS, CH, SH and X. So in these kind of words we just have to add, that we have to only plus ES, right? Now let's go for the next part. Singular plural. Now see, some letters, some words that ends with the letter Y. Now see, I tried to teach, or I tried to make you learn these kinds of singular plural thing in a mathematical way, so that you will always keep that particular formula in your mind. Now see, words that are ending with y, what you will have to do? Minus that y, add ies. Simple. You just have to remove that. In case of plural, you just have to remove that y and just add ies. Now see some examples. Baby. So here it is written baby. Now how did this word came from? So baby is written as babies, comes at bab, y gets minus. So what gets added up? ies. Right? You just have to remove that y and add ies. Now see, family, f-a-m-i-l-i-e-s, we just replace the letter y, right? City, city becomes cities. Dairy, dairy becomes diaries. Okay? Dairy, dairies. Okay? Let's go for the next part. Now you will see, ma'am, letters like day, monkey, key, boy, toy, these are also ending with y, right? But why are we writing s here? We should be writing like, we should be removing y and we should write ies in place of y, right? Now see what this sentence tells us about. This sentence tells us that if there is a vowel before y, then we have to add s. If there is a vowel before y, then we have to just add the letter s. I think you all know what vowel is, right? Now what is a vowel? Vowel are the letters like a, e, I, o, u, right? Now see, day, d-a-y. So before y, there is a letter called a, right? And what is that a? A comes under this vowel caterpillar. So if there is a letter which is vowel before y, we just have to write s, or we just have to add the letter s. Okay? Now see, day becomes days, monkey becomes monkeys, key becomes keys, boy, boys, toy, toys. Okay? Now see, now the caterpillar went away, right? Next see, there are some words that ends with the letter f and fe. Now when there is a letter that ends with letter f, remember I am always telling you to read or to learn this part. You can write it down so that it will, like, you can remember it. Okay? Now see, if there is a word that ends with the letter f, like we did in y, we just have to remove that f and add ves. Same, if there is a word that ends with the letter fe, we just have to remove that fe and add ves. Now let us see some examples. See, wolf, w-o-l-f, wolf, wolf. Now see what happens, this f gets disappeared, right? So w-o-l-v-e-s, right? Now see, calf, c-a-l-f, calf becomes calves, right? Leaf, leaf becomes leaves. Wife, see, in wife there is fe. Now we changed fe to ves, so wife becomes wives. Knife, knife becomes knives. Okay? Now see, words ending with f or fe, we can write in both the ways. There are some words that ends with f or fe, we can write them in both the ways. Like we can write as ves, also we can only add s. And those words are what? See, scarf. Scarf can be written as scarves, or it can be also written as c-a-r-f-s. It can be also written as scarves. Now see, dwarf. Dwarf can be also written as like in this the main word there is F, we can also write in S. So these are the correct form. Even these are the correct form. So we can write it in both the way. We can just add S or we can just add VES. Okay. Next see. Words that ends with O. Words that ends with O will have OS or O plus ES. Okay. Now see, potato becomes potatoes. Okay. Photo becomes photos. Here what is happening? This is following this part, that is adding just an S. Potato becomes potatoes. These are following this part, right? Video ending with O becomes just adding an S, videos. Hero becomes heroes. Zoo becomes zoos. Now words that does not need S or ES or IS in its plural form, like see the words like man becomes men. How? Just a change of a letter. This A becomes E here. Woman becomes woman. Woman becomes woman. Okay. Tooth becomes teeth. See, the double O gets changed here as double E. Food becomes feet. Goose, geese. Mouse, the word mouse changes into mice. Child, children. Child, children. Okay. Next see. Words that does not need any changes. There are some words that we shouldn't be adding any S or any plural extra letters. See, if we write like there are many deers, that is wrong. There are many deer. Okay. So see, like words like ship, deer. See, it doesn't have any extra letter added to it. Okay. And like we can always like write, if it is singular or it is plural, we can write in this singular form only. But there are some words we always write in a plural form. Okay. And what are those words? Words like shorts, shoes, socks, spectacles, jeans, news, glasses, etc. Let me repeat it for you again. Shorts, shoes, socks, spectacles, jeans, news, glasses, etc. So you can get my point, right? Now see, today we just completed this singular and plural part. But remember, next class will be a very fun classes. So we'll be learning so many types of noun. So before ending it, remember you have to like this video if you like it, and also connect with us in the following platforms that are there. Let's wait for the next class.